Welcome to Buy the Best Thing channel. Hey everyone. In this video, we're going to take a look at the top 5 best phone case currently on the market. We get started with our video. We have included a link in the description box for each product mentioned. So make sure you check out to see which is your budget range. Number 1, S10 Plus Wallet Case. Pairing a wallet case with a larger phone like the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus just makes sense. You're already going to have to deal with fitting a bigger device into your pocket or bag. Premium synthetic leather wallet case. Sophisticated and classy design with soft touch textured surface and gold logo. Contains 2 card slots and interior storage pocket for cash. Transforms into a kickstand for hands-free viewing experience. Earpiece cutout which allows to accept calls and talk with cover. Closet, so why not buy an accessory that protects and cuts down on your daily carry? These are the best options for carrying your cards and cash with your S10 Plus. Number 2, Lotadilo for Samsung Galaxy S22 cut for your phone. This transparent, highly sensitive film protects your device from scratches, dust and scrapes, and works with ultrasonic fingerprint. And the included applicator makes it easy to put on. The display lets you answer calls, pause your music and more, without touching your screen. A freestop hinge props your phone up at 45 or 60 degrees and detaches, so you can add a new look. It's got antimicrobial protection, 2.1. Number 3, iPhone 13 Pro Case. Protective premium iPhone 13 Pro phone cases made. The iPhone 13 Pro, Apple's smartphones, are glass sandwiches that will shatter when they inevitably escape your hands, but with high quality and ethically sourced materials. Cases that fit the 6.1-inch iPhone 13 will not fit the 6.1-inch iPhone 13 Pro. That's because the camera system on the standard Pro is significantly larger. Number 4, Tech21 Evo Luxe for iPhone 13 Pro Max. From soft-to-touch premium materials, our Evo Luxe iPhone 13 case offers smart and stylish multi-drop protection. Magnets are built into this luxury iPhone 13 case so that it connects to MagSafe chargers and accessories, while built-in hygiene protection keeps microbes away. It shows how we put the Pro in protection: enhanced multi-drop phone protection up to 12 feet, 3.6 meters, independently tested using methods approved by the UK's National Physical Laboratory. Self-cleaning protection, an innovative formula, is built into the case to keep it constantly clean. Soft and premium materials. A luxury phone case made from high-quality faux leather that is soft to touch. Enhanced camera protection, increased levels of protection for your phone's most vulnerable tech. Number 5, waterproof iPhone 13 Pro case. iPhone 13 Pro waterproof cases cover for the back and front of the mobile. The product's durability is excellent, since it meets or exceeds military standard 810G 516 and can resist drops from 6.6 feet or 2 m. Additionally, with the easy installation of the 2 design cases included in the box, all slots on the phone are appropriately aligned. However, many of us put an end to our adventure list based on the current adventure.
If you are new here, please subscribe to our channel and like our video.